In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background on your Lovabale application. Whether you're looking to customize your dashboard or simply want a fresh look, updating your background is a quick and easy process. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps to get it done. First, you need to log into your Lovabale account and arrive at the dashboard, as this is where all the fun begins. Once you're on the dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the profile icon. You'll find this conveniently positioned in the lower left corner of your screen. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these icons, as they often lead you to different customization options and account settings. After clicking the profile icon, you'll see an array of options meant to help you personalize your account. What you're specifically looking for is the Appearance tab. It's typically listed clearly among the profile settings, and it is your gateway to enhancing the visual appeal of your dashboard. Clicking on Appearance takes you straight to the area where you can start making visual changes. Here, you can select from a variety of backgrounds. Depending on your personal preference or the mood you want to set, choose a background that best fits your needs. Whether you prefer minimalistic designs or something vibrant and lively, there should be plenty of options to satisfy your style. Exploring these options can be quite enjoyable, so take your time to browse through what's available. A little tip: take note of the design and color palette because it can set the tone and feel of your work environment. A great background can make a big difference in how you feel when logging in each day. After you've chosen the perfect background, make sure to save your settings. There's usually a Save or Apply button that you can click to confirm your changes. If you ever feel like switching things up again in the future, you can always return to the Appearance tab to select a new background. There you have it, a straightforward guide to changing your background on Lovabale. This little bit of personalization can really make your dashboard feel like your own, and might even inspire more creativity and productivity as you work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to give your dashboard a unique touch every now and then to keep it fresh and exciting. Thanks for joining me today, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy customizing.